Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a social insurance number in Canada. A SIN is a unique 9-digit number that is crucial for anyone working or receiving benefits in Canada. It's your personal identifier for government programs and services. Remember, your SIN is confidential, so always protect it carefully to prevent misuse. We will guide you through the application process step by step. So, who can apply for a social insurance number? Generally, Canadian citizens, permanent residents, and temporary residents are eligible. If you are a temporary resident, you will need a valid work permit or study permit that authorizes you to work in Canada. Parents or legal guardians can also apply for a SIN on behalf of their children who are under 12 years of age. Ensure you meet these criteria before proceeding. Gathering the correct documents is a critical step. You will need one primary identity document, such as a Canadian birth certificate, a certificate of Canadian citizenship, or a valid passport. For temporary residents, your immigration document, like a work permit or study permit, is essential. Sometimes, a secondary document proving your address might also be requested. Make sure all documents are original and valid. There are 3 main ways to apply for your social insurance number. You can apply online, by mail, or in person at a Service Canada Centre. Applying online is convenient, but it can take up to 20 business days to receive your SIN. For immediate service, visiting a Service Canada Centre in person is your best option, as you will receive your SIN on the spot. Choose the method that best suits your needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.